Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my latest short story box to share with you. Now, short story is a styling service for petites. You do pay a $25 styling fee that does get credited to anything in your box that you keep. They will send you 5 items of clothing. I think you have 5 days to make your decision, and then whatever you don't want for whatever reason, maybe it doesn't fit right, maybe it's not your style, you put it right back in this box and you mail it back to them. They'll send you a label. They used to have a feedback form where you would do the feedback on paper, which is different than some of the other services. I believe they switched though, and I like to have it on the computer better. So anyway, let's dig in and see what's in my box this month. What I will tell you, if you want to try short story, I will leave a link below. They do take a while to ship out your box. They have gotten much quicker, but it still takes a long time. So just be aware of that. Okay, let's see what I got in this box. Okay, so this first top is by the brand Tahari. This is the Myrene striped knit top in black. It's a large petite. I'm normally an extra large, but in parentheses, see it says it fits like an extra large petite. Can you see that? $38.67. 60, ready for this? I think I remember. 63% rayon, 37% nylon. When the percentages are not even, I always get thrown off. All right, so I don't know how I feel about this top. Because of the stripes and I'm bigger chested, they curve. So I don't think it's a good look for me. So I think this one's gonna go back. I do like the style of it. I think if I were straighter, then maybe it would be a cute top. The neckline, normally higher necklines don't bother me, but because of this material, I'm not bothered by it. I'm not. The length is a little bit short, but it is petite. I think the top is a good concept. The material feels awesome. This would be a good summer top, and you could wear it with, you know, white pants. You could wear it with white shorts, your black. I think it would look really cute. So I just think because I'm a little chestier, the lines curve and it's just not a good look. All right, let me show you the back of it. So yeah, this one's gonna go back. All right, let's talk about the pants. I don't know how I feel about the pants, so I'm gonna turn the camera down, so hang on one second. Okay, so the pants are by Nic and Zoe. These are the Petite Martina Perfect Stretch Pants in the color Smoke. They're a size 16 petite, but it's saying it fits like a 14 petite, $78. I do appreciate that they're letting me know, you know, about the fit on the price sheet, which is nice. I don't know how I feel about these pants. So they are a pull-on pant. They do have a bit of stretch at the waistband, which is nice. I do like the color of them. The length is perfect. I put them on with just some peep toe booties. Booties. These are my Vince Camuto booties. I really like these booties. They're peep toe. And I would wear them to work. And so I wanted to see, because I wear heels and like heeled sandals and wedges to work, I wanted to see how the length was with the heels. And I think it's a good length. I just don't know. I don't think that they're a good look on me. Are you agreeing? Yeah, I think I'm gonna send these back, but they feel really nice. I just don't know if I like the style on me. I'll show you the back. Maybe it's the color. Sometimes, you know, other than white, lighter colors are just not, yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. All right, I have a couple more. I have a top to show you, and I have 2 more pairs of bottoms to show you. So let me change, I'll be right back. Okay, so this next top is by the brand Petite Principal. It's the Petite Romy woven print long sleeve blouse in a mixed print extra large petite, $38.25. It is 100% rayon, which, you know, I don't mind. So I like this top. I think it's really cute. It's just a black and white floral print. I'll show you the floral print closer up. I do like the cut of this top a lot. The length is a little bit shorter than I usually prefer, but I actually don't mind it. I don't need all of my tops to be super long. I think the sleeve length is great. That's why I love petite clothing sometimes. So they do have a bit of an elastic at the waist. The waist. This is not your waist, Kayla. This is your wrist. Okay, I'm working on my cup of coffee, so, you know, you gotta forgive me because I gotta get through it, and then I'll be able to describe my clothing more accurately. Or at least my body parts, right? So I do really like this blouse. I like that I'll be able to wear it to work with black pants, you know, and I can wear it to work with denim on like a casual Friday. Yeah, wait till you see the jeans. I'm kind of loving the jeans. I didn't think I would, but they're fun. And I'm going to be able to justify adding another pair of denim to my wardrobe. Just wait and see. What do you think about this top though? Oh, I told you I was going to come closer. See, I like the floral print. It's not like your big, I know, look at small floral. I'm coming around. I'm telling you, I think it's the cut of the top that makes all the difference, and then the print, you know, just adds to it. Yep. I like this one. This one I think I'm going to keep because I think it'll be a good blouse. And I think, you know how fun it would be with, like, remember that black vest with the faux fur? I know, I'm talking about vests with faux fur when it's summertime and like 90-degree weather, but it's going to be here before we know it. But how cute would it look with the vest over this top? I think it would look adorable with some black booties, some black pants. Chic looking, right? All right, let me show you the back of this top. Yeah, I think this one's gonna stay with me unless I watch back and I'm like, oh gosh, Kayla, what were you thinking? Finish your coffee and then make your decisions. All right, let me turn the camera down and let's talk about why I think I'm gonna keep these denim pants. I think. All right, hang on. Okay, so I really like these jeans. I think they're pretty cute. We're gonna see. These are by Democracy. I love Democracy jeans. They fit me perfectly. These are the Absolution Kick Flare, and they are a size 16, $68. So that's normal for Democracy. They do have some distressing, like they have some up here. They have a bit of distressing here and a little bit at the knee. And then can you see the bottom? You probably can't. I'll bring them closer so you can see, but they've got like some stitching, and then they have like the fraying detail at the bottom at the ankle, and then they split here. I think they're a fun look. Now maybe I don't have the right shoes on with them, but I kept these booties because they were just close by. But I think that they're super cute, okay? And, you know, I have a lot of straight leg and skinny, well, I should say not a lot of straight. I have a lot of skinny denim. I do. But I think that this would be a fun way to switch up my denim. What do you think? Am I just making an excuse to buy more denim? Just like I was trying to make an excuse to buy more floral? I think that they're fun. Let me show you the back. Yeah, I really like them. What do you think about them? They're different, they're unique. I think I may end up keeping them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I have a pair of shorts that don't fit. They sent me the wrong size. I'm a 16, they sent me a 14, and it doesn't say they fit like a 16. So I'm gonna show you those shorts close up during the recap, and I'll show you the bottom of the jeans because I think they're super cute. Yeah, I'm really liking them. Even with like a pair of like cognac color booties maybe with, you know, your fall tops, I'm thinking. Yeah, I think I might have fun with these. All right, I'll be right back. We'll do a quick recap. Okay, so let's talk about the jeans before I show you the shorts, since we were just talking about the jeans. I want to show you the hemline close up. Look at what I was talking about. See? And I didn't even notice this before. Oh, I'm learning something. I didn't notice this when I pulled it out of the box or when I had them on. The front's a little bit shorter than the back. I like that. And then, so they're frayed, you can see, and then they split on the outside of the ankle. They don't split on the inside, just the outside, which I think I like that look. Now, let me know. I'm leaning towards keeping these. I think they're fun, and I think I could have fun styling them. I just need to know, sometimes when jeans have, you know, the straighter leg or even like a flared look to them, they could make me look a bit boxy. Did they make me look boxy? Be honest. I know you will be. But let me know. I really liked them. Am I crazy? Tell me nicely. You guys are normally really nice anyway. Let's talk about the shorts that I couldn't show you because they sent me a 14 and I am a 16. So I don't know why they sent a 14. These are, and they don't say, like the others say like they fit like a different size. These don't, so I don't know. These are by Jag Jeans. They are the Petite Nolan shorts in the color Stone, $58.50. So they're like a khaki color. I don't know, does it say the inseam on these? 7-inch. So they have pockets in the front, pockets in the back. Well, actually, no. They don't have pockets. They're not pockets in the back. They are an elastic waistband. They're cute. I don't know that I would have kept them. I don't know. What do you think about them? They're a little bit pricey, so I probably wouldn't have kept them. So what'd you think about this back? So I think I have one, probably two keepers. I'm really wanting to keep those jeans. So I think I might end up keeping those. And I really like that black and white floral, but I don't don't know why I'm struggling when I'm talking about that blouse today. What's wrong with me? I know, I gotta finish my coffee. All right, so I think that I'm gonna keep those 2 pieces, but let me know what you think about this box. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. I do have some credit that's gonna help me cover, I think, well, I don't know, maybe most of the box if I keep those 2 pieces. So thank you so much for using my link. And let me know, what did you think of your short story box? If you've tried short story before, let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.